How to lock screen time settings on iPhone. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to set up a screen time passcode step by step. First, open the Settings app on your iPhone. Scroll down and tap Screen Time. Depending on your iPhone and iOS version, you may also be asked to enter your Apple account information. This can help you reset the screen time passcode if you forget it. Once the passcode is set, your screen time settings will be protected. Now, whenever you try to change settings such as app limits, downtime, or other screen time restrictions, you'll need to enter the screen time passcode. If you already have a screen time passcode and want to change it, scroll down and select Change Screen Time Passcode. Then tap on Turn Off Screen Time Passcode. And that's it! You've successfully locked your screen time settings on your iPhone. Thanks for watching. If this tutorial helped, don't forget to like the video, subscribe, and check out more helpful iPhone tips and tutorials.